Okay, this is Unit 12, and we are going to work on finding the area of shapes. We need to know that the area of a square or rectangle is length times width, and the area of a triangle is the base or the length times the height, and whatever that is, we're going to divide it by 2. And the reason for that is a triangle is half of a square. And when you get a triangle, the dotted line usually 99.9% of the time will tell you the height of the triangle. Okay? Now some of these shapes we're going to have to cut up. So let's take a look at the first one. Alright, so we don't know the formula for this. We're only going to be using area of squares and triangles. But I can cut this up. I want to make the biggest square or rectangle that I possibly can. So I'm going to cut it right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 6. So it is 9 high. Now there might not look like there's anything up here, but there is. So from here to here, 1, 2. 2 times 9, it's a triangle, so we're going to divide it by 2. And this one is 2 times 9 divided by 2. So this is 9, because it's 18 divided by 2. This is 9, and this is 54. And I came up with 54 by doing 9 times 6. So now I need to add those together. So 54 plus 9 plus 9. Give me my answer. Okay, now this one, it's basically well, when I look at this particular shape, I see 2 large triangles. I want to make the biggest possible triangle that I can see. So I see this one here in red. And the base from here to here is 10 1/4. Times the height is 8. Remember, the height, you have to look for this 90-degree angle. Okay, it's important. I'm going to divide that by 2 because that's one of the triangles. Then, if I double it, here's a triangle as well in blue. Now, the base of this is the same thing, 10 1/4, and the height is the same thing, times 8 divided by 2. Whatever my 2 answers are, I'm going to add them together. Okay? Now, this one doesn't go all the way across, so I'm going to get just the area of this triangle right here, because these two meet at that 90-degree angle, and that's what I got to look for. So, the area of this triangle, I would take 25 times 13.75, and I would divide it by 2. Now, whatever that answer is, that's going to fit right here in this box, or this triangle. Now, if I take this triangle, I could actually make 3 other triangles. And they're all going to be the same. So whatever the area is of this triangle, it's going to be for this one. And then we're going to double it. Here's another triangle. And then here's another one. So basically, I see 4 triangles in this particular shape. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. We have a triangle sitting on top of a square or rectangle. Okay, now the 20.25 is the length from the top of the triangle to the bottom. Now we're cutting this up, so this is no longer 20.25. I'm going to take 20.25 and I'm going to subtract the 15.75, which is right here. And whatever's left over is going to be this answer. This is 4.5. Okay. So now I need to get the area of this triangle. And the base of it is 13.5 times 4.5. And I need to divide that by 2. And that answer is going to go here. Then I need to get the area of the rectangle. It would be 15 and 75/100 times 13.5. And that answer is going to go in here. And whatever my two answers are, I'm going to add them together. There we go.